Hello everyone. I'm going to share about a material today which I came across 1 year ago, which improved my portrait practice immensely. Well, it has been in existence for a long time, but I just found it a year ago, and my portrait practice has become very simple and efficient since then. To create a beautiful portrait with perfect resemblance, what is very vital is number 1, knowing the basics of portrait drawing. There is no shortcut about it. Number 2 is portrait practice. So you should do a lot of quick practices like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes portrait practices, which will help you improve the stability of the portrait and also help you achieve the resemblance of the portrait. This is called willow charcoal. These are few of my recent portraits that I did using willow charcoal. It only took me about 20 to 30 minutes to create a portrait using willow charcoal. Charcoal is a highly misunderstood material. A lot of people fear charcoal unnecessarily. Charcoal is just burnt wood and then it is processed and clumped tightly together and made into a chalk kind of thing. This is called a stick charcoal, but today it is all about willow charcoal, right? Most people fear charcoal because they think that it might ruin the portrait or it might leave a stain in the portrait, or it might be difficult to achieve realism and perfection using charcoal. If you are one of them, you should try willow charcoal. It is very easy to handle willow charcoal, and if you draw a line, you can easily undo it, you can easily erase it. That is the beauty of willow charcoal. Now I am going to tell you how I used willow charcoal to create portraits. Now carefully follow me and it will be very useful for you. As you can see, I am drawing the angle of her face in which her face is tilted, and then followed by it I am drawing the outline of the face. Now it looks okay to me that I am marking the features inside the outline. But the shape is not a little satisfactory to me, so I am correcting the shape of the face a little bit. And then I am marking the head of her face roughly, and now I am moving on to her ears. At this point it is easy for me to judge if I got the shape of her face right or wrong, because I have also added head and ears to the face. As you can notice, I have already marked the eye socket. Now remember, I have told you about the character of this willow charcoal. It is easy to handle. Now see, I am smudging the eye socket and bringing the value down. As the last step, I am placing the features over the marks. And then, now it is just about light and shadow and about achieving perfection. This particular drawing came out really well. I got the resemblance right and also the expression right. For this portrait, I predominantly used willow charcoal. Of course, I used other charcoals, but predominantly used willow charcoal. So if you're crazy about drawing portraits, achieving resemblance and getting the expression right, willow charcoal is the way to go. It is extremely good for quick portraits. I would suggest throw away your fear. Purchase a pack of willow charcoal right away. The brand is up to you, but this one has 25 pieces. 25 pieces is enough for lifetime usage. I'm telling you, you will get addicted to it.